Today I will show you how to get removed from a Facebook permanently Facebook groups. So let's see here. First of all, you click on the Facebook. So first of all, you log in your Facebook account. Then you click on the groups option. Then which group you want to get removed. So click on this group. Now I click on this. After click on this group option, then you click on this option. Click on this. Then you scroll down, click on leave group option. After clicking on leave group option, then you click more option. More option click, then you click on this leave group permanently. If you click this leaving group, okay, done. The admin and member does not allow and edit this group anymore. So it's very helpful and very useful tips. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.